Welcome back, children. Yesterday we read the chapter 5 Bird Watching. I hope it is understood by you. So, today we are going to do comprehension part of the chapter at page number 49. The A part is complete the following using the words given in the help box. So, children, let's read the words first. Patience. Patience is धीरज. Bird watching means bird को देखना. Hunters. Hunters is शिकारी. Birdman. Fond of. Fond of is पसंद होना. Traveled. Traveled is सफ़र करना. Birds means पक्षी and bird watcher is bird को watch करने वाला. Dr. Salim Ali is called the bird man of India because he was extremely fond of birds. He made bird watching a very interesting hobby. He traveled all over the world to study different types of birds. He spread his knowledge of birds and fought to save them from hunters. You can be a bird watcher if you have a lot of patience. So, children, the next we are going to do B part of the page. Answer in one word. Let's look at the first. The national bird of India. I know you all are aware of it. Our national bird is? Yes, it's peacock. The second one is the smallest bird in India. It is flower pecker. The third one is the person who popularized bird watching in India, and that person is Dr. Salim Ali. The fourth one is this bird sews its nest, and the correct answer is tailor bird. The fifth, the bird that makes a humming sound, and the answer is hummingbird.